As we discussed in the last section, crew members install the bit on the bottom drill collar. Two kinds of bits are roller cone bits and fixed cutter bits. Fixed cutter bits are also called fixed head bits. Roller cone bits usually have three cone-shaped devices with teeth or cutters. As the bit rotates, the cone and cutters rotate to drill ahead. Fixed head bits also have cutters, but manufacturers embed them in the bit's head. The bit's head moves only when the bit rotates. It has no moving parts, like the cones on a roller cone bit. Both roller cone bits and fixed head bits come in sizes ranging from only 2 or 3 inches, or about 50 to 75 millimeters in diameter, to more than 36 inches, about a meter in diameter. Two basic kinds of roller cone bits are available. One has steel teeth, and the other has tungsten carbide inserts. On a steel tooth bit, also called a mill tooth bit, the manufacturer mills or forges the teeth out of the steel that makes up the cone. Steel tooth bits are the least expensive bits. When used properly, they can make hole for many hours. Manufacturers design steel tooth bits to drill soft, medium, and hard formations. With tungsten carbide insert bits, the manufacturer presses very hard tungsten carbide buttons, or inserts, into holes drilled into the bit's cones. Tungsten carbide is a very hard metal. Tungsten carbide insert bits cost more than steel tooth bits. However, they usually last longer because tungsten carbide is more resistant to wear than steel. In general, tungsten carbide insert bits drill medium to extremely hard formations, but can also drill soft formations. Soft formation bits usually drill best with a moderate amount of weight and high rotary speeds. Hard formation bits, on the other hand, usually drill best with high weight and moderate rotary speeds. Three types of fixed cutter bits are available. Polycrystalline diamond compact, or PDC bits, diamond bits, and core bits. This PDC bit has cutters made from man-made diamond crystals and tungsten carbide. Each diamond and tungsten carbide cutter is called a compact. Manufacturers place the compacts in the head of the bit. As the bit rotates over the rock, the compact shears it. PDC bits are very expensive. However, when used properly, they can drill soft, medium, or hard formations for several hours without failing. A compact's PDC layer is very strong and wear resistant. Manufacturers bond the diamond crystals to the tungsten carbide backing under high pressure and temperature. The tungsten carbide backing gives the compact high impact strength. It also reinforces the wear-resistant properties of the cutters. Manufacturers make diamond bits from industrial diamonds. The diamonds are the bit's cutters. Diamonds are one of the hardest substances. A diamond bit breaks down the rock during drilling by either compressing it, shearing it, or grinding it, as shown in this animation. Here, the diamond is acting like sandpaper, wearing the rock away. They embed the diamonds into the metal matrix that makes up the head of the bit. Diamond bits are expensive. When properly used, however, diamond bits can drill for many, many hours without failing. Crew members run a core bit and barrel when a geologist wants a core sample of the formation being drilled. A core bit is normally a fixed head PDC or diamond bit. It has a hole in the middle. This opening allows the bit to cut the core. Diamonds or PDCs line the opening and sides of the bit. The rig crew fits the core to a core barrel. The core barrel is a special tube, usually about 30 to 90 feet or 9 to 27 meters long. They run the core barrel at the bottom of the drill string. It collects the core cut by the core bit. Cores allow geologists to take a look at an actual sample of the formation rock. From the sample, they can often tell whether the well will be productive.